Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As I told, I am back with the part 2 of my indoor plants vlog. We will be exploring captivating world of indoor plants. As you can see, we are surrounded by an incredible plants here. Before moving forward, I request you all to please do subscribe because only 10% of you all has subscribed. So don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a closer look of all the plants. So first one is Dracaena trifasciata. It's also called as snake plant. There are many varieties of Dracaena. It's one of those kind and it is very less maintenance plants and it requires well drained soil. Second comes an Pulwa Pothos. It's commonly known as money plant. It has many names like devil ivy, hunters love pothos. It's one of the favorite plant of home gardeners and it can be grown in either water or soil. Then we have Adenium obesum. It's also known as desert rose. It usually thrives in summer seasons and it likes bright light conditions. Although it looks like a bonsai, but it is not. Water it infrequently. Then comes an Areca Palm plant. Areca Palm is very famous nowadays. They do best in bright indirect lights, but it will tolerate bit of shades. Avoid direct sunlight to it, otherwise it will starch the leaves. It likes a moist soil. The fourth one is Zamioculcas Zamiifolia. It's commonly known as ZZ plant. It can be grown in very low light conditions. Water your ZZ plant every 2 to 3 weeks, allowing the soil to dry out between watering. Then we have Peperonia obtusifolia. It is commonly known as mini rubber plant. It can be grown in minimum to bright indoor lights. They grow approximately 20 inches wide and tall. Water it every 1 to 2 weeks. Sixth one is Jade plant. It is also known as lucky plant. It is one of the succulent variety. It is normally grown in bright indoor lights. Scientific name of this plant is Crassula ovata. It's an evergreen plant with thick leaves and branches. Seventh comes an devil's ivy plant. It's commonly known as golden pothos plant. It has heart-shaped bright green leaves. It's an trailing plant with stems growing up to 20 meters long. And it requires bright but indirect light. And it's one of the variety of money plant itself. And then we have a beautiful peace lily. Its scientific name is Spathiphyllum Wallissi. It has a beautiful white colored flowers. Peace lilies can live in low to bright indirect sunlight. And this plant is believed to be the lucky plant. Ninth one is Dwarf umbrella tree. They are widely grown as ornamental plants and this resembles a smaller version of umbrella tree. And this plant is native to Taiwan, China. And then we have Dracaena Cordyline plant. This is an attractive, narrow, colorful, ornamental foliage plant. It's an evergreen tropical plant and it can be grown in both indoor and outdoor landscapes. 11th one is an beautiful white rose York plant. This is an hybrid white rose plant and this hybrid plant's origin is Europe. Then comes an Dracaena trifasciata Zeylanica. Its native is southern India and Sri Lanka. And this is one of the variety of snake plants. Then we have Euphorbia lactea plant. It's an beautiful coral cactus plant. This plant is native to tropical Asia and mainly in India. Last one but not at all least is our turtle vine hanging plant. Turtle vine is an delicate perennial that grows very quickly and is a hanging plant that requires very minimum care. Instead of using the artificial plants and flower pots, I request you all to please use these beautiful plants to enhance the beauty of your home and bring fresh air, green nature and positivity to your home. In my next vlog, I will show you some of the beautiful air purifying plants which are must in every home. So please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. And you can put your opinions about these beautiful plants in the comment box below and please hit the like button as well. Part 1 of this vlog is pinned in the I button. Please go and check it out. So thanks for staying with us guys. We will meet you all in the next vlog.